Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Vantrue brand JS1. It is a multifunctional jump starter, so we're going to obviously open it up, show you what it looks like, and test it out, and then let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
Alright, so getting this open, most of these come with a really nice carrying case. It looks like this one does too. Very solid Velcro there. I like that. Give some light. So a divider inside that allows you to kind of keep things separated. Very clean looking. So as we start to open it up, you'll see the multiple options here for power. We'll go through that in a minute. Jumper cable is going to go in here. Flashlight, specs, power, and boost. A little outlet brick here, so I can get this open. USB-C goes right in there. Your actual jumper cables. Good grips. And as mentioned, just insert properly like so. Take this off before we power it on. And of course, this will be my USB-C charging cable. USB-C on both sides. It's becoming more and more common. So again, you'll just pop that into the brick, pop the other side into here to get it charged. Gives me 2 USBs for additional power, and again a DC power as well. So now I'm not sure if this is charged or not, but we're going to get it charged. Yep, so we're at 73 it looks like. Holding it down turns on the flashlight. What we're going to do is just hold it down, and that turns on the light. Once we press that button again, we get a brighter light. Then we've got our kind of SOS and flasher modes. So it was flasher and then SOS. And then we have a red flasher, and then it goes off. So boost is probably just going to be for when we're jump starting it here. I can't tell, it looks like there's some peelable cover here. So we'll probably get that removed just because I like to have it nice and clean. Yep, sure enough, that peels right off. Obviously we can tell it's at 73%. I'm going to go ahead and get this charged in the meantime, and I'll let you know whether or not this continued to run or not. I'm just assuming it's going to go auto off after like a minute. But I'm going to get this boosted up as far as power. Then we're going to just demonstrate a quick jump start. I may use it on a lawnmower. I may use it on my car because I know my lawnmower's battery is dead. So I just want to kind of showcase the actual jumping nicely. So let's do that. All right. So I'm a big trial and error guy, and so what I figured out was if you hold that boost button down for about 3 seconds, it's going to get into its start mode. So that's what you're going to want to be in order to jump start it. And then when you want to get out of it, you're just going to hold it again for 3 seconds, and that's going to go off. So again, this is kind of just blinking and doing its business until until it just goes off automatically. So I would give it about 60 seconds. Again, I'm going to go get this charged up. All right, so as it's getting charged, you'll notice it just tells you how it's charging. Hope you can read that. It just says USB-C. And again, the red light is still on, but again, that's going to go off. So just going to trust the process. So while this is charging, I figured I'd just run through some quick things. So it's got a 3000 A peak current, which basically allows you to start up to a 6-liter engine, or 7.5 diesel, or 6.0 diesel, I believe. My numbers could be incorrect, but that's just what I remember. Obviously, we're looking at the nice LED display, which I think is fantastic. And we do have a 30-watt lightning fast charging capability with that brick. So the final thing that I want to talk to before demo is it's relatively waterproof. It's an IP65 waterproof rating, and it should be relatively impact resistant. So a good solid case, and as we see, we just saw an uptick. So again, we'll get it fully charged and then we'll demonstrate a jump start. So sometimes you don't really think too much and pay attention. And so when I was opening up the bag, I did not notice this back here, which is obviously going to be the manual. So please make sure you read your manual, unlike this dum-dum, and make sure you understand all the capabilities and all the different things. Comes in multiple languages. Always recommend you read these front to back and have a great understanding of it. All right, so I'm going to just demonstrate this on my lawnmower here. Forgive me for the clutter here, and I just want to test it out to show you that there's absolutely no juice currently. So I'm turning the, you can hear it's just dead. So what we're going to do, I have to replace the battery, but in the meantime, what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on. We're at 100. So once this is red and you double press it like that, it'll go into a lower amp or lower power mode, so you can get more out of this. And again, if you just hit that, hold that boost button, it'll turn into a start position. So you've got some flexibility there. So we're going to go ahead and give it that juice. We're going to go red on red, black on black. So again, always just be careful when working with anything like this. And we're going to probably just hear an immediate Now, just want to show you that we're at 99%, and just press that red button twice to get it back to their normal charge. I do have the light on for some reason because I keep doing the hold thing. And so again, this will go off on its own. So I'm just going to store it. One of the only issues I actually have is I got a little bit of OCD, and I see all my fingerprints over here. So I'm going to be constantly keeping this thing clean. But this thing's fantastic. I'm going to be utilizing it for a couple of my kids. Personally, and I'm really excited to have this product. So hopefully this has helped you. Thanks for watching. Definitely worth buying.